staking is something that you stake your coin to a certain project that's it's locked in, but because you're validating the network, you get rewarded by it. Iba-iba. So FTM has a certain rate that they're giving, Avalanche also, Solana. So majority yung mga proof of stake networks are giving it. In this video, this is what we're gonna do. Marvin Favis, super yaman, bibigyan niya ako topic and I will do extemporaneous video for it.
Ano pa yung mga pwede nating pagkakitaan bukod sa pagbili ng Bitcoin or ng crypto? Kasi usually alam lang natin buy low, sell high. Ano pa ba yung mga areas ng cryptocurrency na pwede nating pagkakitaan? Kasi ang dami, di ba?
Super simple way for people to actually earn money na para sa akin na very passive, na hindi mo kailangan bantayan araw-araw, to look at quality tokens and coins, tapos na pwedeng stake that will give you a good APY. So for those who don't know what staking is something that you stake your coin to a certain project that's it's locked in, but because you're validating the network, you get rewarded by it. Iba-iba. So FTM has a certain rate that they're giving, Avalanche also, Solana. So majority yung mga proof of stake networks are giving it. Para sa akin, nagbibigay siya ng mas mataas na rate of return kesa sa time deposits or sa bonds or yung mga normal na investments natin. So yun.
In layman's term, parang time deposit lang. Lagay mo lang yung crypto mo and then it will earn APY.
But the difference is, if you're comparing it to time deposits are generally fixed. You have a rate of return. You're getting a fixed amount of money kasi nagpautang ka. Ito, you're helping validate the network. Pero minsan nagbabago-bago siya. Proof of stake, you stake your coins. The more you stake, the more authority you have in a particular network. And as you have more authority in the network, you also get rewarded based on the amount of tokens that you have as well. So that happens in several blockchains, from Cardano to Solana to Avalanche. What's nice about that is, even if you are not trading, even if you're just holding onto your position, you get rewarded. And that's very significant, especially if the market is sideways, especially if it doesn't go anywhere. You have a certain possibility still to earn. So for those who have been following me from the stock market, it's similar also to you buying a stock that can give you dividends. But the difference mainly is when you go for a stock that gives you dividends, the dividends is based on the earnings. The dividends is based on the performance of the company for a certain fiscal period or for a certain calendar period, based on what the board of directors would disclose is what they would give in terms of earnings. But for staking, it's just basically you being rewarded for keeping the network afloat, for validating the network. It's an incentive that they give to people who want to keep the integrity of the network, and that's how decentralized finance works. That's how cryptocurrencies work. If you look at it also from a certain perspective, Facebook, Twitter, Amazon, they're all centralized nodes. They get most of the pie in terms of earnings. For crypto, it's the ones that are upholding the network that also get a piece of the pie. Pwedeng liquidity provider ka, meron kang trading pair, pinagkasama, and you are helping decentralize a certain network na yun na yung nagiging buying and selling na pinagkukuhanan. So to explain that further, yung mga normal na stock market na systems is basically, meron siyang order book, may buyers tsaka sellers. So kung sino yung mga nagbebenta, doon ka lang pwede bumili, tapos yung mga bumibili, based lang siya sa mga, kung nagmamatch sila sa sellers. Crypto, decentralized finance, liquidity provider, based sa liquidity pool, yung pwede mong matransactan. So yung mga pools na madaming liquidity, mas madali mo siya matitrade. Yung mas konti liquidity, medyo mas slimmer yung chances mo to trade. Pero because you're providing liquidity to the network, you also get incentivized by that. So yun, staking, earning, providing liquidity. Yung misconception lang that I want people to get is, you don't have to be a trader, you don't have to do futures. I guess for this to be a good crypto scene for you. Kuya, may question ka. Sir, mga ano to, bagong bayani natin, galing pang barko, Saudi, no? Saudi. Meron ka bang gusto malaman? Tanungin natin si Marvin Favis. Meron ka bang tanong sa kanya?
Ano bang maganda sa crypto? Nababasa ko sa
Yun, no?
Sa online, nakikita ko siya, pero wala lang ako interest pa ba? Kasi hindi ko alam eh.
Hindi mo alam.
O sige, in 1 minute, ano ang cryptocurrencies?
Okay, ganito lang kasimple. Ang cryptocurrency, guys, is a digital asset. So isipin nyo na lang para kang bumili ng gold, no? Gold na hindi mo nahawakan because it's digital, okay? Kaya lang, since ang daming gumagamit, ang daming naniniwala, and of course, yung utility niya, no, to parang ang baba kasi ng fees and mas mabilis na transaction, So yun yung pinaka gamit niya. Kaya lang, ang dami pang naglabasan ngayon ng mga ibang cryptocurrency na pwede mo i-consider. Kaya lang, kami, no, sa beginner, maganda pag-aralan mo muna yung Bitcoin. Focus ka muna ano ang Bitcoin, ano ang cryptocurrency, bago ka mag-invest. So wag ka muna maglalagay ng pera dito hanggang di mo naiintindihan para sure.
Yun ang cryptocurrencies, digital asset class. May cash-like qualities siya kasi pwede mo i-trade. Pero ano lang siya, digital na pag-aari. So yun lang. We're just waiting for the plane to leave. Kaya may mga ganitong ganapan. So tingnan natin, madami pa tayong mga kilala sa plane. Pupuntahan natin sila. Titignan natin kung papayag sila sa video. But let's see how it possibly goes. So siguro I'll end it with this. Don't limit what you can do in terms of investing based on what other people are saying na kailangan futures lang lagi or trading lang lagi kasi meron naman nag-fit para sa iyo na investing style eh. So if ayaw mo magbantay lagi, gusto mo passive lang, you can buy quality coins that you can stake and get our yield and return from it. So yun lang, we'll do more videos about this when I get back in Manila. But yun, I had fun in Dubai. To those that I met there, thank you. And I guess that's it. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon. God bless you all.